How to get a huge credit limit increase from Chase. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some steps and process if you are looking forward to increase your credit limit from your Chase bank account. So the first thing you can do to increase your credit score is by maintaining a good credit score. Chase is more likely to increase your credit limit if you have a strong credit score, pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts. The second way you could do it is by using your card responsibly. So Chase that you can handle a higher credit limit by using your card responsibly. Make regular purchases and pay off your balance each month. Also, you can request an increase. You can request a credit card limit increase from Chase either online through your account or by calling their customer service. You can also wait for some automatic increases. Sometimes Chase will automatically increase your credit limit based on your spending patterns and payment history. So these are some ways you could increase your Chase credit card limit. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.